Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, inshallah, we are going to study everyday English. Everyday English. Two parts. The first part will be about a weather forecast. The second part will be about traveling around. This is the first part, and this is the second part. Let's look at the first exercise on a weather forecast. Complete the chart with words from the box. So we have three titles: adjective, noun, and verb. The verb is in the continuous. So these 20 words are about weather. We're going to choose and put every or each word in the correct place. The first one, this is it's sunny. It's sunny. What about this? It's rainy. It's rainy. What about this? It's
Snowing.
Snowy. 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 Sunny. Rainy. What about this? It's a windy. So the adjective is it's sunny, it's rainy, it's snowy, it's windy. Is it clear? Yes. Now, what about the adjective? The adjective is the noun. What about the noun? The noun here is sunshine. Shine. A noun. Next, rainy. Rain. Yeah, rain. And the noun from snowy, snow. And wind. Yes. Again, it's sunny. The noun is sunshine. It's rainy. Rain. It's snowy. Snow. It's windy. Wind. So this is the noun. What about the verb? I want the verb with ing. Why? Because it is, and the verb plus ing. The sun is shining. The sun is shining. And it's raining. Yes, raining. And here it's snowing. Yes. The sun is shining, it's raining, it's snowing, and this is difficult. The wind is blowing. Yes, it's blowing. The wind is blowing. The wind is blowing, not it. The sun is shining. The sun is shining. The wind is blowing. Is it clear? Yes. Now again, quickly. It's sunny, it's rainy, it's snowy, it's windy. The noun: sunshine, rain, snow, wind. The verb with ing, the sun is shining. It's raining. It's snowing. The wind is blowing. Who can read? Yes?
It's sunny, sunshine, the sun shining. It's raining, rain, it's raining. It's snow,
Snowy?
It's snowing. It's windy, wind, the wind's blowing.
Some other one? Yes?
Sunny, sunshine, the sun's shining. It's rainy, rain, it's raining. It's snowy, snow, it's snowing. It's windy, wind, the wind's blowing.
The last one? Yes?
It's sunny, sunshine, the sun's shining. It's rainy, rain, it's raining. It's snowy, snow, it's snowing. It's windy, wind, the wind's blowing.
Is it clear? So here with these four adjectives, we have 4 nouns and we have 4 verbs. The second, this is the answer. It's sunny, sunshine, the sun is shining. It's rainy, rain, it's raining. Snowy, snow, it's snowing. It's windy, wind, the wind is blowing. What's another one? For one time? Yeah? Harzin?
It's sunny, sunshine, sun's shining. It's raining, rain, it's raining. It's snowy, snow, it's snowing. It's windy, wind, the wind's blowing.
Yes. Now, this is represent what? Is or has? Or was? Is. So this is. It is sunny. It is rainy. It is snowy. It is windy. Or in spoken English, in everyday English, it's sunny, it's rainy, it's snowy, it's windy. Here the same. The sun is. It is the same. And here is. The winds, it means the wind is. So it is not has, it is not a possessive. No, it's a is. The second part of this exercise, now we have 2 words, just 2 words, adjective and noun, because it has no verb. No verb. Yeah? It's cloudy. It's cloudy. So the noun is cloud. Next, it's stormy. Stormy. And the noun is storm. Or sometimes we call it thunderstorm. 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 Yeah? This one.
Foggy.
Foggy.
Now, it's foggy. It's foggy, and the noun is fog. Yeah. The last one, icy. It's icy. And the noun is ice. So we have 20 words. Huh? 4 and 4 and 4, 12. 4 and 4, 8. 8 and 12 is 20. These are the 20 words. Again, it's cloudy. The noun is cloud. It's stormy, storm. It's foggy, fog. It's icy, ice. Yes?
It's cloudy, cloud. It's stormy, storm. It's foggy, fog. It's icy, ice.
Very good. Yeah? Yes? Yes?
It's cloudy, cloud. It's stormy, storm. It's foggy, fog. It's icy, ice.
The last one?
It's a cloudy, cloud. It's stormy, storm. It's foggy, fog, fog. It's icy, ice.
Very good. Thank you very much. So now, after finishing these words about the weather forecast, we turn to something new. The second part. So this is the answer. It's cloudy, cloud, stormy, storm or thunderstorm, foggy, fog, icy, ice. Again, who can read again? Yeah. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah. Yes. Now we have. Now here are some lines from conversations. So these lines are from conversations. People speak and we get some lines from them. So from conversation on different kinds of transport. These are on different kinds of transport. What are the kinds of transport? Taxi, car, ferry, plane, underground. You understand? Yes. So these are lines or sentences from conversation. Where does each conversation take place? We want to read the first one and say where they take place. Take place, happen, the place. So this is the line, and we want to write the place where each conversation takes place. Choose from the box. So these are the transport. These are the transport, the kinds of transport. Car, okay, bus, taxi, underground. What are the underground? Underground, the metro, which most of its line are underground. Most of them, not all of them. Like in Cairo, we have the metro underground. It's most of it underground, but some on land and some on bridges. But it is called underground because the previous one was metro. Metro was all the cartridges are online. Before it, trolley. So the underground is a new metro, used most of it underground. So we call it the underground. Train, plane, ferry. What's a ferry? A small ship take people from one side to another. Take some people from one side to another in towns. Plane in the air, train. What's the difference between train and underground? They look similar, but the underground inside the city. The train between towns and cities. Yes. Taxi and car. What's the difference? Car, private. I have a car, but I don't have a taxi. The taxi The taxi that we go from one place to another place by taxi. But car, private car. Bus, okay? Yes, number one. We read the sentences, the lines, and say the place. Do you think for polite expression? Do you think, I don't think. Three things. Question, negative, and question, negative, and positive. So this is question. Do you think? I don't think. I think. How many? Three. Do you think it will be a rough crossing? Do you think it will be a difficult crossing from one side to another? Because if it is crossing, so it is ferry. Yes, it is ferry. You understand? Now, excuse me, I think. So, two things to make it polite. Excuse me, this is number one. Next, I think. Those seats facing the front are ours. So, if I am not polite, I can say those seats or those seats facing the front are ours, but it is not polite. Instead, we use I think. Better still, excuse me, I think. So this makes the expression more polite. Excuse me, I think those seats facing the front are ours. We're speaking about seats facing the front, at the front part. So this is what? Train. Yes, train. Number three. We are going to Market Street. Could you tell us when it's our stop? Stop. Our stop. Bus. Yes, because the stop for bus. Could you for what? Request. Polite. Request. You can say, tell us when it's our stop. No, it's not good. It's not polite. It's impolite. And instead we say, could you, and instead of tell us, could you tell us? Could you tell us when it's our stop? This is in the bus. What about going to? Arrangement. Arrangement. Not going to verb. No, going to noun. Going to noun is arrangement. Express arrangement. But if it is going to travel, going to play, it is intention. So we have decision, intention, and arrangement. With decision, we use will. Also, will express decision and promise, offer, future fact, and the prediction without evidence. What about going to? It expresses intention and prediction with evidence. It is used before the time of speaking, but with will at the moment of speaking. Spontaneous decision. What about going to? No, going to intention. But if it is the present continuous, arrangement. Pre-planned arrangement. Yes. So here, will. And here, a going. Continuous. Now, can you take us to the airport? Can you take us to a place? It is taxi. Yes, it is taxi. Number 5. Can I take these bags on with me on the board of the plane? Can I take these bags on with me? All of them? It is plane. Yes. Number 6. That's all right. You can keep the change. That's all right. You can keep the change. It's maybe 17. I give him 20. 20. Yes. Keep the change. Number 7. Excuse me. Are we landing on time? Are we landing? The landing is for the plane. Yes. So here is plane. Number 8. No. He said turn left at the lights, not right. This happens in the car. In the car, I and my friend. So no. He said, someone said, turn left at the lights, not right, not turn right. So this is about car. The place is in the car. This conversation takes place in a car. The last one. How do I get to Oxford Circus? The place. The place. How I get to Oxford Circus? Underground. Yeah? Underground. Underground. Because get to a place. Now, after this, I want someone to read each one and give me the place. Yes?
Do you think it will be a rapid crossing? Ferry.
Ferry. 2.
I think you don't see facing the front are ours.
3.
We are going to Market Street. Could you tell us when it's our stop bus?
4.
Can you take us to the airport taxi?
Taxi. 5.
Can I take these bags with me, plane?
6.
That's a right. You can keep that change.
Taxi. You can keep the change. You can keep the yes.
Excuse me, are we landing on time?
Plane. Next.
No, he said turn left at the lights, not right. Car.
Car. And the last one.
How do I get to Oxford Circus underground?
Yes. Now, these about the kinds of transport. And this is the answer. This is the answer. Yeah? So, again, read the line and give me the kind of transport. Again, yes.
Do you think it will be a rapid crossing ferry?
2.
Excuse me, I think those seats facing the front are our train.
3.
We are going to Market Street. Could you tell us when it's our stop bus?
Next.
Can you take us to the airport? Taxi.
Taxi. Yeah.
Can I take this bag on with me,
Plane. Yeah. Harazin.
That's all right. You can keep the change. Taxi.
You can keep the change. Yes. Taxi.
Excuse me, are we landing on time, plane?
Plane.
No, he said turn left at the light, not right. A car.
Car. And the last one.
How do I get to Oxford Circus underground?
Underground. So this is good. Now we want to match A with B according to the meaning. Yeah. So these are the same lines of the conversation, and we want to match them with these lines. Match a line in A with a line in B. So here, match a line from exercise 1 with a reply. It is B. Number 1. Do you think it will be a rough crossing? Now we want to join, to match. So it is in the ferry. I don't want the ferry now. I want the reply. So the answer here is number F. Yes. So this is number 1. Well, the forecast is good, so it should be pretty smooth. Again, do you think it will be a rough crossing? Well, the weather forecast is good. They say the weather is good. It's good. So it should be, the crossing should be pretty smooth. The crossing must be pretty. What's the meaning of pretty? Very, very smooth, not rough. Smooth. It will be okay. Not rough. It will be smooth. Rough and smooth. You understand? Number 2. Excuse me, I think those seats facing the front are ours.
D.
Sorry.
So they are D. Number 2. Oh, I'm sorry. We didn't know they are reserved. I don't know they are reserved. What are they? What are they? The what? Those seats. Those seats are reserved. He said, oh, I'm sorry, we didn't know, I and my wife maybe didn't know these seats were reserved in advance. Yeah. Number 3. We are going to Market Street. Could you tell us when it's our stop? G. Just sit near the front and I'll call it out. Again, we are going to Market Street. I'm speaking to the driver. We are going to the Market Street. Could you tell us when it's our stop? The driver. Sit here. Just sit near the front. Stay at the front, and I'll call it out. I'll raise my voice and say this is the stop, so and so. So don't worry, I will call the stop out. What is here? The stop. The stop. I'll call the stop out. Means in a loud voice. You understand? Number 4. Can you take us to the airport? Can you take us to the airport? B. Of course. Hoben. Yes. So this is in the taxi. In the taxi, he wanted to go to the airport. He did him come in. Hoben. Number 5. Can I take these bags on board? On with me?
Number C.
Number C. Number I'm sorry. I'm sorry instead of saying no. I'm sorry instead of saying no. So I'm sorry, it's polite way. I'm sorry, only one item, just one bag of handbag, one item of handbag, one piece. Per passenger. What's the meaning of per passenger? For each one passenger. For each one passenger, one bag, one handbag. Not 2 or 3. You are 1, so take 1. Again, can I take these bags more than 2? These bags on the plane. With me? I'm sorry. Only one. Just one. Only one item of handbag per passenger. One for each passenger. One bag, one handbag for each passenger. One item. One piece. Number 6. That's all right. You can keep the change. So this is number 6. So the passenger tell the driver of the taxi, take the rest. Take the rest of the money. I don't need change. Take it. Keep the change. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. So the driver thanked the passenger. And thanks a lot. Do you want a hand? Do you want a hand with those bags? Can I help you? Can I carry these bags for you? I'm ready to help you. Why? Because he told them, keep the change. Keep the change so I can help you. Without keeping the change, I can't help you. I won't help you. You understand? So this is with the taxi. With the taxi driver. Number 7. Excuse me. Are we landing on time? Are we landing on time? Exactly on time? Not more, not less? Not more, not less? Not after, not before? On time? So, number 7. Yes! Yes, we are landing on time. It means we are landing on time. We are beginning our descent soon. Descent means going down. We are going down soon. Just now. Oh yes, now. Now we are descending. Now we are going down. This is in the plane. Number 8. No, he said turn left at the lights, not right. A conversation in a car. So, A. Number 8. Again. No. He said turn left at the lights, not right. Look. Look. You drive and I will give you the directions from now on. Right? So every time you say turn left, turn right, stop here, go there, quickly, slowly, take care. No. Look, I'm angry, because I'm driving and you are speaking all the time, as if I am not driving well. I am the driver. I know the way. I know how to drive. So he's speaking all the time. So the other one said, the driver said, look, you drive, and I'll give directions from now on. Come instead of me on my place, and I will come here. So now if someone say, yes, teacher, yes, come here, and I come here. Yes? The last one, you understand? Yes. It's easy.
Yes.
How do I get to Oxford Circus? H. So when you are in the metro, you say, how can I get to this place? So someone say, take the Piccadilly line. So maybe I'm in Cairo. I want to go to Shobra. I ask someone, how can I get to Shobra? You can take the first metro, the first underground, then you can change another one. Change. So 2 metros, 2 lines. Not directly. Not directly. There are something like transit. Stop here to take another one. So here, take the Piccadilly line at first. Eastbound, which goes to the east, with the direction of the east, that is going to the east. Take the Piccadilly line to the east, not to the west. This direction to the east, eastbound, and change. And when you arrive at the Green Park, you can change. So you can go this one, then at the stop of the Green Park, you can take the other one. You can change the underground. So the underground are 3 or sometimes 4. Some here and there. So if I want to go to a place, so take this line, the Piccadilly line, then at the stop, which stop? The Green Park, take the other line. You understand? Yes. Now again, the answer, this is the answer. I want someone to read aloud Number 1, A and B, the conversation and the reply. Number 1, do you think it will be a rough crossing? Well, the forecast is good, so it should be pretty smooth. So 2, yes, who can read?
2, excuse me. I think those seats facing the front are ours. B, oh, I'm sorry. We didn't know they were received.
We didn't know they. So here, they, it means what?
The seats.
The seats. Reserved Huh? Someone paid for it beforehand. Huh? They are already for someone. Number 3.
We are going to Market Street. Could you tell us when it's our stop? Just sit near the front and I'll call it out.
Sit near me here and I will tell you when the stop comes. I will call it out, not for you, for all the people in the bus. So, ayil, this is promise or a quick decision at the time of speaking. 4. Yeah?
Can you take us to the airport? Of course,
So this is the passenger, and this is the taxi driver. Of course. Hoping. 5.
Can I take these bags on with me?
On
with me. I'm sorry. Only one
item
of hand luggage per passenger.
One item of the bags. Just one piece. Per passenger. Per year, per month. Per hour. You understand? Per passenger. For every passenger. For every passenger. Passenger on the plane. Is it clear? Number 6.
That's all right. You can keep the change. Thanks a lot. Do you want a hand with those bags?
That's all right. You can keep the change. When we have a full stop, our sound, our voice will come down. When it is a comma, it will rise up. If it is a yes/no question, it rises up. If it is WH questions, it falls down. WH question, down. Yes/no question, it will rise. A full stop, down. A comma, rise. Yes, again.
That's all right. You can keep the change. Thanks a lot.
You can keep the change. The chain down.
Thanks a lot. Do you want a hand with those bags?
Do you want a hand with those bags? Say yes or no. You understand? So when I ask a yes/no question, the sound should go up. 7. Yeah?
Excuse me, are we landing on time? Yes, we're beginning our
Descent soon. Descent going down. So we are beginning present continuous soon, in the near future. In the near future, just now. Now, soon. What's the meaning of on time?
In the exact time.
In the exact time. No more, no less. But what about in time?
Not late.
Not late. But here, not early, not late. At 8 o'clock, at 8 o'clock. Not early, not late. No before, no after. Number 8. Yes.
No, he said turn left at the light, not right.
Look, you drive, and I will give direction from now on.
Yes, but here we have look and what? Exclamation mark. Exclamation mark. We should show something. Look. Yes. You drive and I yell. You drive and I yell. What is it I yell? Because it is. It is. This will.
What decision?
Yes. Focus on it. Yeah. Yes. Look. You will drive and I yell. Give directions from now on. From this moment. From this moment and afterwards. Right? Right? Is it okay? Or yes. Number 9.
How do I get to Oxford Circus? Take the
Piccadilly line.
Piccadilly line. It's bound and change at Green Park.
Yeah. So Piccadilly line, the line of the metro. The name of this line is Piccadilly line. Eastbound, which goes east, and change at this stop. At Green Park. What's the Green Park? The name of the stop.
Yes.
والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. إلى اللقاء إن شاء الله next time.